Hello everyone, welcome back to Brahmaj. Have you guys heard the phrase, if the tanks succeed, then the victory follows? The variety of terrain that Indian Army deals with demands the use of specialized tanks. In recent years, India have focused on building indigenous vehicles and modifying foreign tanks to cater the India's needs. The Indian Army uses various types of tanks. Let's have a look at the various tanks that Indian Army holds right now. But before all that, please go hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. Okay, let's do this. Number 5. Tank X. The main battle tank produced by Indian Defence Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, in 2002 was codenamed Tank X. Tank X was created as a follow-up to the DRDO's Ajaya project in order to leverage on the technology established for that project. It went through 6 months of testing before it was turned down by Indian Army. 8 Tank X prototypes were manufactured in total. Weighing 47 tons, the Tank X is heavier than the T-72M1. The Tank X also have the capability to fire the Israeli Lahat missile from its gun barrel like the Arjun tank. Number 4. T-72 aka Ajaya. The T-72 battle tank was developed at the Malyshev HMB plant in Kharkov, Ukraine and the UKMB, Russia, and exported to a number of nations under license. The T-72 was initially produced in 1972 and an estimated 50,000 have been produced since then. India modified and upgraded the tank to suit their needs, producing Ajaya Mark I and Ajaya Mark II. These tanks are used extensively throughout the LAC, that is Line of Actual Control. The tank is armed with a 125mm D81 smoothbore cannon, a 7.62mm coaxial machine gun, and a 12.7mm air defense machine gun. The T-72S is equipped with 45 rounds of 125mm ammunition, 22 of which are loaded automatically from a carousel. The air defense system in the tank is designed to engage both ERA-equipped tanks and low-flying air targets. It has a range of 100 to 4,000 meters and must be fired when the tank remains immobile. Namika, aka Tank Buster. The Nag missile carrier, that is Namika, which is a modified BMP-2 infantry fighting vehicle produced under license in India by Ordnance Factory, Medak. The development of Nag missile began in 1988 under APJ Abdul Kalam. The first test was conducted in November 1990. The Nag missile underwent successful tests in September 1997 and January 2000. It is classified as a tank destroyer. The Namika carries a total of 12 missiles, with 8 in ready-to-fire mode and 4 in storage. The total project cost of Namika is 3,000 crore rupees and is developed by Defence Research and Development Laboratory, that is DRDL, and Ordnance Factory Board, OFB. The Ministry of Defence cleared Namika for production in August 14, 2020. Arjun battle tank. The Arjun is a third-generation main battle tank designed for the Indian Army by Defence Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO's Compact Vehicle Research and Development Establishment. Work on the tank's design began in 1986 and was completed in 1996. In 2004, the Indian Army accepted Arjun main combat tank into service. The Arjun combat tank was originally awarded to the 43rd Armored Regiment, which was founded in 2009. The Arjun battle tanks are fitted with the integrated fire control system and a BEL-developed indigenous firefighting system. To give an accurate shooting solution, the IFCS comprises a digital ballistic computer that cues information from microprocessor-based sensors for wind speed, tilt angle, target range, vehicle speed, and many more factors that affects the precision of the cannon. The Arjun's IFCS is designed for fast target acquisition in any weather condition with a first round first hit probability. T-90S Bhishma. The T-90S is the most recent addition to Russia's T-series of tanks, and it boasts increased firepower, mobility and protection. The T-90S was first used by the Russian Army in 1992. The Indian Army secured a deal for 310 T-90S tanks in February 2001. 124 were built in Russia and the remainder was shipped in parts for final assembly in India. At a range of up to 5 kilometers, it is designed to attack tanks equipped with explosive reactive armor, that is ERA, as well as low-flying air targets such as helicopters. The 9M119 or 9M119M missiles, which features semi-automatic laser beam riding guidance and a hollow charge warhead, are fired by missile system. The missile weighs around 23.4 kilograms, and the automatic loader on the weapon will feed ammo as well as missiles. As per the Indian Defence Ministry data, the Indian Army has more than 4,500 main battle tanks and 6,800 armor fighting vehicles assisted with modern technology. The Indian Army has a large volume of main battle tanks with advanced technology which enclose the India in the world's top 5 list. That's all I have for today. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. And it's time for me to take off. Bye everyone.